Alright, so we're playing Neighborhood of Robloxia, and for a job, I'm gonna choose Bottom Rock Cafe, because I hit rock bottom because I am a Roblox YouTuber.
Pull up out the Honda, I'm watching. I don't care if you call me a stalker. 3 a.m. I'm outside, I'm walking. Out here striving, I'm just looking for some water.
Alright, so we're at the Rock Bottom Cafe now. You can take a photo. I hope there wasn't a girl there, because I'd be fucking arrested. We have an umbrella now. They say opening an umbrella inside is bad luck. Well, I got all the bad luck behind me. This looks to be a MacBook, but it's running on Chromebook OS. You know what? We're not gonna say anything about that. We're just gonna go on with our playthrough of Neighborhood of No. I didn't even notice, but I got a hell of a lot of money, which is cool. I just realized, if you're a cop in this game, you get things and stuff. So let me go get my things and stuff now. How do I switch teams? Alrighty, so I'm SWAT now, so I have a seems to be a Glock, taser. I forgot what this is called. Some sort of fucking door slammer. You know, this can come in handy when I find my wife cheating on me, and I can just go bust through the door. Wait, no, other way. Yeah, this is handy when I can find my wife cheating on me, and I can just bust through the door. Then I can find the person who is who she's cheating on me with. Riley Reed is in my Roblox game, guys. Riley Reed, the porn star. Oh God. You know what? Maybe you deserve to be put down. What the fuck? This person is transforming into like 60 different people. Sheriff John, NYPD Sheriff's Department, Unit 2402, on duty. OMG, it's the imposter from Among Us. Sergeant, beware, criminals. We need to find a car. Small free. OMG, it's small free, but small free is Thanos. Thanos, I'm your biggest fan. Let's have chill. Dinosaur. Thought those motherfuckers went extinct in like not even like before the BC times. I have purchased the Alright, so I have purchased the undercover police car to catch my wife cheating on me, because she won't expect a thing. I actually drive a 2002 Honda Civic, so when I pull up to our house, she'll just think I'm turning around. This is gonna be the best plan ever. So the plan to kill my wife for cheating on me has backfired, as I got my car stuck. Please help. Also, for some reason, I have a child molester van in my inventory. I don't know why I have a child molester van. Probably because I was doing that exact thing. I actually kind of remembered. Why am I punching my breast? Look, my Roblox character is punching her breast right now. Why is she punching her breast? I don't know. Alright, so, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna go, do something with my time. There is a gay carpet on the floor. I think I missed a gay pride parade, because there's a remnant of it on the ground. But you know what? Okay. I'm a fucking dude, I look like a fucking Tyrannosaurus Rex right now. I'm choking. Yeah, but I look like a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Oh my God, I am literally so ugly. I can barely fit in my fucking car either. Look at this. I can barely fit in my car. Like my head is poking out of the roof. Like, it's like I got in a car crash and I got decapitated, except my head is still flying out of the windshield and stuck in place. Static. You walk out of your house at night to take out the trash, then you just see this thing down the road being like, yeah, I don't know, I'd kiss her. Safety reasons. He just said a very horrible fucking word. He probably said multiple slurs. Alright, so I think I should be better now. Yep. Okay, so we have an even sexier looking outfit in this game. I'm very fucking beautiful. Every man wants to have sex with me because look how good I look in Roblox. Let's go order a taco now to celebrate. I want a taco. 1 taco, please. This is the greatest service in my life. They instantly delivered the taco. Now it's ready to be eaten already. So here we have. Hello, kind sir. Hi, young man. How? I'm gonna eat your farts, young man. Horny. I'm horny, young man. You get 1 Robingle. There's your 1 room. I just gave that young man 1 Robingle. I made him the next Jeff Bezos' wife, except this time I didn't divorce him. Why is my right blinker on? You know what? My shifts is jerking off. Oh, wow. Okay, now time to. Why won't this stay dormant? There we go. I'm causing thousands of dollars in government property damage right now. Violence is never the answer. And then I close the door and turn off the light. I'm gonna end this video off here and I'm gonna commit suicide. Goodbye, little cum sluts.